Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get hacked Roblox account back. So first we want to make sure that you are not logged into any Roblox account, so make sure that you're all signed out, and then we are going to tap this login button on the upper right corner, and in here we want to go and tap on forget password or username. So from here all you have to do is just to first enter your email to reset your password in here, so you can just submit in here in this box, or if you don't have your email then you can try to use phone number to reset your password. So let's try to tap on this one, since for example if our email is not working, then let's use this. Now all you have to do here is to just simply log in the details, whether typing your email or your phone number. Or the other thing, if that doesn't work, then tap help, and all you have to do is to tap this first option, Roblox account, and my account was hacked. So what do I do? Now there are steps available in here, so you can just follow, but this one, resetting your password, is the best option that we can do. So if it doesn't still working, then you can just continue, click more, and then to continue, please provide your date of birth to contact the Roblox support. So just write your username, first name, your email address, and your confirm email address, and then what's the issue. You have to specify in here the device that you are using, and also the problem or the type of help that you need, and also you can put here the description of the issue along with the screenshots or videos taken, and then tap submit. So hopefully this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.